Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. As you know, I always bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video we are going to talk about a new project that is Good Lucky. So we will discuss all the required details of the project, how we can deposit, how we can withdraw, and how we have to create an account. Everything we are going to discuss in the video. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell to get updated by my upcoming and latest video. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is a website of Good Lucky. First of all, we have details about the daily jackpot. You can check that, which will reset in 6 hours and 9 minutes. So here we have a countdown, and then you can also check the last winner details, and then you have option to check the draws. You can check the card draw, mystery box, and case opening. All you have to do is to check the details. You have to deposit, and then you can simply pay the card to earn 0.1 USDT to 1888 USDT. And then you can check the case opening details. Everything is mentioned here. But first you must be able to know more about the project. And then here we have details of Leaderboard. On Leaderboard you can check some recent winners. You can check out their ranking, their transaction details, etc. Top winners are mentioned here. And then let's talk about the events. You have to check the events: Lucky Rain, Mega Prize Pool, the Newcomer Currency Gift Pack, and the first recharge bonus. You are going to receive a bonus for your first recharge of a specified amount. Then consecutive check-in rewards. You can earn check-in daily to receive coins. Consecutive check-in earn even more rewards. Then have cumulative lottery rewards. The more times you participate in the lottery, the richer the rewards you can receive. Then invite friends. You can invite your friends to participate in the event, and both parties will receive currency rewards as well. So you can check out all the events, and then you have to simply log in on and register on the platform. For register, you have to simply enter your email. You have to complete the captcha, and then you have to simply enter the code that you have sent to your email, and simply you have to click on register. This is a very simple steps to create account. Okay, so as you can see that we have already successfully created our account here. First of all, you have to check details about the referral code and referral invitation link. You can share this link to your friends and earn rewards. And then here we have details about their team statistics. And then we have platform introduction, that this is a Web3 entertainment platform focused on direct cryptocurrency openings. You can check out the details from here. If you are beginner, so you can check the beginner details here, complete tutorial that how you can login, how you can deposit, withdraw, etc. So for deposit, you have to simply bind your wallet. For this, you have to simply select the network like BSC, and then you have to enter the wallet address. Then you have to click on manual bind. Okay, so after successfully bind your account, you have to simply click on deposit, and then you have to enter the amount that you're going to deposit. You have to select the chain. You can select BNB chain, etc. like BP20, BSC20, and simply confirm. And then you have to simply check the deposit order detail. You have to copy this address and go to your wallet to deposit. Okay, so then after you have to simply click on I have paid, and then you can see deposit order detail timer will be showed, and within 1 to 5 minutes your deposit will be completed. You have to wait for deposit. Okay, so here you can see that our withdrawal is successfully done. So now I'm going to play the card. Here you can simply click on the draw section, and you have to simply single, and then you have to play the card. So here we can see we have win 2393 1.893 SHIB. So now we can simply check our account to check the SHIB details. Here we can see we have win SHIB, so you can exchange. So as you can see that we have exchange is completely done. So now we can simply check the details about the withdraw 0.12796 USDT in our account. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.